What's going on? This is Tej, playing Big Brother, of course, watching over the last race as it winds through the streets of San Francisco. You see my man Dom Toretto, he's leading the pack as they race to the finish line at Sullivan's. You see, that's where the after party is going down. So, we will load y'all to the party bus soon. Hang tight.
Stuff, but I guess not. It's fine. Keep coming all the way in, my friends, all the way in, all the way forward. Like I said, my name is Pat. We're just going to be waiting on a phone call from Mia, and here she is to take it away from me. Hey, Mia, how you doing, bestie?
Hey, Pat. I see our partygoers have arrived.
Yes, they just got in. Go ahead and introduce yourself, love.
Hey, everybody. I'm Mia, Dom's sister. Well, another race just wrapped, and it looks like my brother with another car for his collection. Honestly, I don't know why anybody shot him.
Because they're desperate.
Well, we're meeting up at Sullivan's garage for the after party, and while Tej works on your rides, you guys enjoy the break room. My brother calls this the family room.
Aww.
Dom says he doesn't have friends, he has family.
He needs a
And the
therapist.
faces you see on these walls are our family.
But my face ain't up
When I'm
there.
in this room, I feel like we're all together.
But Hobbs' face is on there twice.
Welcome to our family.
I get it, he's hot, you know. Oh, it's Tej. Hey, Tej, welcome to the Break Room Monitor with me and Mia.
All right. What's up, Mia?
And Pat, hi.
Just welcoming these good people to our family.
Okay, cool.
How are rides coming along?
The rides are ready to roll out and roll out in style.
Okay, Transformer.
Great. I'll let Dom know. You guys have fun at the party.
Bye, Mia.
Bye, Mia.
All right, Pat.
Yeah.
Let's get these people on their way. Send them over to the war room.
You got it. Any words of wisdom for us?
Peace.
Yeah, you're on your own. Okay, cool. Well, once those doors open, you're going to introduce yourselves to Jamie in the next room. I promise you they come highly recommended and highly trained right off of Craigslist. Have fun, guys. Good luck. Enjoy the after party. You're really going to need all the luck you can get. Yeah, good luck.
Hi. Who are you and why are you guys here in the war room? You know? Anyone know? Party. I didn't get any message about a party or notifications. Oh, I did. It was on silent. You guys are here for the party at Sullivan's, right? Yeah? Alright. And it says Tej is getting your party buses ready. Okay, so he's normally sitting here, but he's doing that, so hopefully nothing goes crazy and we don't have a real security breach because he didn't really show me what to do. We should be good. I don't know you guys though, so I gotta ask her. Any of you with FBI or law enforcement? Awesome. Yes?
Jamie,
Oh, you gotta
the
get
buses
out.
are here.
Oh, I will send these guys to the loading dock. Doors, Dom's calling you over to connect you.
I got this, Jamie.
Okay.
Dom, what up?
Tej, just got a heads up from Hobbs. The FBI is about to raid your location.
Wait, it might be this guy.
Man,
Where'd
they
you go?
always ruining our fun.
Stop ruining our
It
fun.
gets worse.
Worse.
They're leading Owen Shaw right to your door.
Which door? We have 9.
Shaw, that cockroach we beat down in Spain? What's he got to do with this?
Everything.
Nothing yet.
I mean nothing.
Now let's keep it that way. Get those people on those buses.
I was about to do
You need to start bugging out right now.
Fine.
And get that turbo truck ready. I'm sending Lenny there to pick it up.
I'm on it.
I'm on it.
He's on it.
Hobbs needs our help.
Why am I here?
Needs our team.
I guess that's you guys.
Spread the word.
Tell everybody
But keep it in our family.
in this room.
And keep it quiet.
Send it in a DM. Hey, the other bald guy's calling. It's
Hobbs.
yeah.
Hobbs, my man.
Sorry, Anthony.
What up?
Sorry, Brother Tej, no time for chit-chat. I just sent you a brief on FBI agent Novak. Has Toretto filled you in?
Yeah. He wants us to get everybody over to the party at Sullivan's.
Sounds like a plan. That party is a ready-made diversion. Keep it going. We need to discuss how you're gonna get all those civilians out of there without tipping off the FBI.
Wait, civilians have other family.
Okay, hold on.
You've been gaslighted.
Let me get everybody squared away, and we'll talk offline.
He's in a square.
Copy that, Tej, and let everybody know. Shut off your cell phones.
Why?
We don't want Shaw tracking your locations.
Yeah, but you're calling it a cell phone.
Okay, Jamie, you heard the man.
I did.
It's about to go to a whole nother level.
Level 2.
Send everybody to the loading dock.
Alright, so the plan didn't really change. You're still going to that party, but now you might get arrested by the FBI. Yippee, yay. But if you do get arrested, you were never here. Got it? Cool. You should be good though as long as your bus driver drives fast.
Listen up. Before you load your party bus, all partygoers should be aware of the following racing restrictions. Due to the nature of race driving conditions, riders should expect sudden and extreme movements. If you have a pre-existing heart condition, abnormal blood pressure, back or neck conditions, are an expectant mother, if you are prone to motion sickness or dizziness, or are recovering from recent surgery, or any other condition that may be aggravated by intense movement, you are hereby advised not to participate in this race. Once the gates are open, all the way across the road, filling in the entire edge, making room for those coming in behind you. For your safety, you must remain seated and keep your hands and feet inside the party bus at all times. Don't make me turn this way.
Listen up, everybody. My man Hobbs wants to talk directly to y'all, so I'm patching him through now.
My name is Special Agent Luke Hobbs of the U.S. Diplomatic Security Service, and as of 16.9 seconds ago, I'm the man in charge. There's a high-value witness from the Federal Protection Program aboard your vehicle. An international crime syndicate led by Owen Shaw is honing in on this vehicle to take that witness out. Shaw's as ruthless as they come, and he'll stop at nothing to eliminate his target. Every living soul on this vehicle is in serious danger. Other than that, enjoy the ride.
Hey guys, we're gonna keep you safe from Shaw, but to keep you safe, we need your help. So please turn off your cell phones and put away your cameras, because one flash or ringtone could give us away. And remember, if you have problems, we deal with it together.
The door's right there. Get moving. Get out. Come on, everybody out.
This is what we're doing. This is the race day after party. And where the other?
Roman Pierce, FBI, don't move.
Bill?
That's right, party's over.
You know how long I took to iron this shirt, man? I'm not.
You're under arrest right now.
Ladies, just back up a little bit. Got it. It's lightweight. First of all, I don't work for you.
Oh, really? Well, tell me, Roman, who do you work for?
We don't work for nobody. I'll let you just clear out of here, otherwise we can't guarantee your safety.
Guarantee my safety? I'm the one holding the gun.
Yeah, but mine's a whole lot bigger than yours. Hobbs, escort this novice out. Let's go, Cookie Puss!
Got an ugly suit on, man. It's cheap.
Somebody out there really pissed off Shaw. It's gonna get ugly fast.
Yeah, don't worry. Lucky for you.